Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the top 5 hair oils that I like to use on my natural hair. These hair oils have been really beneficial to me. They helped maintain my scalp and my hair, so I'm just going to share them with you. First on my list is Castor Oil. I really like this oil because of how thick it is, and it's really moisturizing. I love to use it after I use my leave-in conditioner, any type of moisture, butter, or cream of that nature. If you have any of that is your favorite, putting this oil on top of it will really lock in all that moisture for you. Some facts about castor oil: it makes your hair strong, it promotes hair growth, and it also moisturizes a dry scalp. Next on my list is avocado oil. Oil can be used on your skin and on your hair as well. It's really moisturizing. Not as thick as castor oil, it's actually very light. It helps to detangle your hair, reduces dandruff, hydrate your hair, and also prevent breakage. And I know as a natural, breakage is kind of hard to get around because our hair really does tangle from the root ends really everywhere, but putting avocado oil in your spray bottle along with water and spraying your hair, that actually really helps. Next is jojoba oil. I really don't know how to say that. Don't laugh at me, I'm not going to say it again, but that oil, it combats heat damage. So if you're in between waiting for your heat damage to actually grow out, if you add jojoba oil on your hair, it'll actually combat that and you'll see new growth. It also soothes an irritated scalp, and it can be used on your skin as well. Next is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a really good oil. It's one of my favorite oils. It's actually very beneficial for your skin. It helps with any type of breakouts if you might be experiencing that. It's good for an itchy, dry scalp. I first discovered tea tree oil when I was looking online for anything that will help with my scalp because it was getting a little bit drier than I'd like in the winter months, and tea tree oil popped up. I liked it because I get to put at least 2 to 3 drops of that oil into a spray bottle, shake it up, and spray it all over my hair, and that has helped me a lot. Some facts is it's the best oil for your scalp in my opinion. You can really feel that cool tingling sensation when you're done. It clears acne and it's very strong. You gotta use only 1 to 3 drops, and use a carrier oil to mix that with, which is any oils that I just previously mentioned, or you can search online to find your favorite. Next is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, I like to use it on my skin, my hair as well. It helps to grow your hair and it promotes blood circulation. And blood circulation is super important because blood circulation really equals hair growth. Paying a lot of attention to your hair and massaging your scalp, it'll in turn grow because your follicles are getting stimulated, and that's really what it's all about, to get hair growth. And that is it for my oils. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.